following the unfortunate crash of General Ogolla along with his 9 colleagues. What has happened is whitewashing the situation. No Kenyan will believe that story. The only way to believe the story is to have an independent inquiry. General Ogolla was taken out. He was taken out. Nobody will believe that story. And there was a story behind why they may have wanted to take him off. He was sent by the National Security Council to go to Bomas of Kenya that time before results were released. And I think that people said they would deal with them. Some of them were hard to say, we'll deal with this guy later. But because of the Tonje rules, there was no way General Ogolla was not to become the next head of our military, the CDF. So he was taken out. And I should be forgiven for holding that view. I don't even seek forgiveness. That is my own view. But in order for Kenyans to know what exactly happened, we need an independent inquiry, possibly led by Parliament. If parliamentarians feel intimidated, an independent kind of inquiry. Because we cannot have a culture where military leaders are taken out, political leaders are taken out. These helicopter crashes must end. This country will remain a democracy. And nobody is going to have to claw back on our democratic gains under our constitution. So our guiding document, Constitution 2010, unfortunately those in authority we know opposed it. Maybe they opposed it for such times as this. And unfortunately they have sworn to uphold the document, which also has also protected them. Because had it not been for Constitution 2010, William Ruto probably would never have been sworn in as president because he would have been fired a long time. So these are some of the truths.